Welcome to Easy English. I'm Duke.
And I'm Olyvia. Today we're going to learn much and many in a very simple way.
Yes, many learners get confused.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use each one. First, the simple rule.
Okay,
We use many for things we can count.
like
Books, people, cars.
and much,
We use much for things we cannot count.
like water and sugar.
Exactly. Here are some simple example sentences for many. There are many students in the classroom.
I have many emails to reply to.
There are many shops in the area.
Now let's look at some simple example sentences for much.
There isn't much time left.
I don't drink much coffee.
There is much traffic today.
That makes sense. What about questions?
Good question. Examples with many. Do you have many friends? Or are there many people waiting? Examples with much. Do you have much time? Or is there much water left?
Negatives confuse me. Got anything for that?
Sure, let's make it easy. Examples with many. I don't have many problems. Or she doesn't have many meetings today. Examples with much. I don't have much energy today. Or there isn't much noise here. Let's go on to a mini conversation at home.
Do we have much milk?
No, but we have many bottles of water. Now examples for at work.
Are there many emails today?
No, not much work today. Now examples for at shopping.
How many apples do you want?
Not much fruit, just a few. Many learners say much people and much cars.
That's wrong.
Yes. Instead say many people and many cars. Let's practice. Pause the video after each question and answer it. Then unpause to hear the answer. Let's go. Question 1. Time, much or many?
Answer, much.
Question 2. Students, much or many?
Answer, many.
Question 3. Water, much or many?
Answer, much.
That's it.
Much and many are easy now.
Practice these sentences every day.
We'll come back with many more examples. Follow Easy English with Duke and Olyvia for more English tips and tricks.